Alright, so the first thing we need is the license, and that is in the station information. And we are doing ABC 7 Chicago, WLS TV. They have their license. It is good till 2021. Applications and related materials would be the next tab down. And we're going through their public file. So the application and materials, you have those listed there. Let's see, citizens agreements and the contour map. The contour map is right here, and it just shows you where they're located and their transmitter. And it's going to be in Chicago. Pinpointed right there for you. All right. Citizens agreements. They don't have any. Okay. You already looked at the contour map. Materials regarding FCC investigations or complaints. That would be under the more public files tab. And investigations or complaints. They do have some complaints. They have complaints that date all the way back to 1974. Okay. Ownership reports and related materials. Look at those. Look at the ownership reports. List of contracts required to be filed with the FCC. Okay. I want to say it's under the ownership reports, because these are all pending applications. The political file is right here. And they date back as far as 2012. Equal opportunity materials. Right there. Let that load. Public broadcasting stations must keep a copy of current version of the manual in the public file to provide a copy upon request to any member of the public as noted above. You can also request a copy from the FCC or access it on our internet website. So they just need to, it goes to equal opportunity records. There's an email from the public. Quarterly program reports. Okay. Alright. It's taking forever to load. Okay, so public files. Letters and emails from the public. And then quarterly programming reports. Children television programming reports. I know where that is. That is right here. Children TV programming reports. They get it often. Quarterly reports. Okay, so it would be in the basic info file, station information. Okay, I can't find the quarterly reports, but records regarding children program, commercial limits. Yeah, I know what that is. And that dates all the way back to 97. Alright, time brokerage agreements. Let's see. List of donor non-commercial educational. Local public notice announcement. No results for donors. Time brokers agreements, and find those. Local public notice announcement must carry or retransmission. That is one of these. Here we go. Alright, and then the same thing, we have the local public service announcement. Come on, man. There that is. They only got one. DTV. Search bar is terrible. Alright, so there was a couple things that I couldn't find. I don't really have the time to go through it all. Running low on time. But for the most part, I found everything that was needed to be in the public file. I'm sure that everything is here for it. Just can't find it all. Oh, look, there go the education reports right there. The DTV ones. So we did find that. That's a good thing. Alright, so things I couldn't find were the list of donors, time brokerage agreements, and letters of email from the public and broadcast, and list of contracts required to be filed with the FCC. I mean, I guess the donors could be the third-party fundraisers. So there goes the time brokerage agreements. They don't have any donors, and the time brokerage agreements. I don't have anything there. And that's it, really. But it seems they got it in order. Oh, there goes the donor list. They don't have any donors. And that's about it.